Okay, leave the ball. You have to stay here. They must clear. Go, 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 go.
Sorry.
It's here. Original one. Hey Daniel, defense, you have to play the defense ball.
He's playing like Shaq only, no?
He plays like Shaq only now. Backcourt. Leave the ball here only. Your ball. Move that side. Hey Glenn, wait. Right. Pass and play. 24 seconds. You have pass and play. Go. Where is your team? Why so much of them are there? How they are playing?
Like one team will be there.
Yeah, one team here, one team here, one team there. If the score here, the scoring team will come here.
No, but they are middle class.
Yeah, now they got confused.